Dreame N20 Steam Review. Is this steam cleaner worth buying? If you want a compact cleaner for stains, carpets, upholstery, and detailed cleaning, the Dreame N20 Steam is an interesting option. But is it actually worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The N20 Steam is a portable spot cleaner designed for carpets, sofas, mattresses, stairs, car interiors, and other areas where you need targeted cleaning. Its biggest feature is the combination of washing, hot water cleaning, and steam cleaning with powerful suction. The machine offers up to 17,000 PA of suction and can use hot water and high-temperature steam for different cleaning tasks. It also comes with multiple attachments, allowing you to clean upholstery, narrow areas, tile grout, and other hard-to-reach spots. Another useful feature is automatic detergent dispensing, which can make repeated cleaning easier. There's also a hose self-cleaning function for easier maintenance after use. The biggest advantage is versatility. Instead of having separate equipment for different types of spot cleaning, you get several cleaning modes in one portable machine. However, this isn't designed to replace a regular vacuum or a large upright carpet cleaner. It's better suited for targeted cleaning rather than quickly cleaning an entire house full of carpets. You should also remember that steam and drying performance can vary depending on the material, humidity, and how the machine is used. So, is it worth buying? If you regularly deal with stains, pet messes, upholstery, carpets, stairs, or car interiors, the N20 Steam can be a very useful option. But if you only need everyday floor cleaning, a different type of cleaner may make more sense. If you want to check the latest details or buy this cleaner, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know where you'd use it.